Here, good morning, good morning. Look at that. It's raining hard. This is 2 days raining here. Woo! Look at that. Look at my garden. They're so happy. So happy. Oh, good thing they're strong enough to handle the rain. My baby is so happy. Look at them. Look at my two calamansi. See? Look at my tomato. That's my okra. And look at them. Wow, look at the rain. Rain, rain, more. We need more rain. Thank you, Lord. It's raining. Right? So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. And here's my babies. Okay? So that you will see my garden every day. My babies, my bok choy, my plants and vegetables. Okay, thank you for subscribing. Bye. Oh, by the way, I'm cooking potato. Okay, I'll show you guys. Here, guys. Now it's so cold, so it's raining. It's good to eat the potato cue. I bought this in Asian store. And kasaba, balinghoy. Charap, charap pa more. So let's eat, guys. Oh, look at this. Look at my potato. Kamote kayo dyan. Pasensya na kayo sa English ko, ha? English. Tomato English. Okay, bye. Thanks for subscribing.